You can watch TV, enjoy music, crystal clear voice calls, online meetings, playing games, and more with studio grade sound. This is Tozo NC3. Hey guys, today I'm taking a look at the Tozo NC3 noise cancelling earbuds. Let's open up the box and see how they work. Here's the papers, user guide and quick start guide and user manual. Some extra ear tips in here. And then the USB-C charging cable as well. And then here's the device itself. And so yeah, let's go test these out and see how they work. These earbuds bring a lot of premium features at a very accessible price. So let's go through what makes them worth checking out. The NC3s use Tozo's O-Reg-X 2.0 acoustic technology, along with large 12mm dynamic drivers, so your audio feels full and balanced, the bass is deep and punchy, and vocals sound natural. So whether you're listening to music, podcasts, or movies, the clarity stays impressive. Noise cancellation is the big headline feature on these earbuds. They use 3 microphones to deliver hybrid active noise cancellation that adapts to your environment. So whether you are on a commute, or in a busy cafe, or just relaxing at home, these earbuds block out outside distractions with ease. And switching between the different noise cancelling modes is easy when you use the free Tozo app. There you can also further customize a variety of features, such as the EQ settings, choosing between noise cancellation and transparency modes, and even activate low latency mode for gaming or video playback. It gives you control over how the earbuds sound and behave, so you're not locked into one default profile. The call quality is another strong point. Thanks to triple mic noise reduction, your voice comes through clear wherever you are. And the battery life is solid as well. When placed in the charging case, you get up to 55 hours of playback, which is more than enough for a full week of use without constant recharging. And fast charging is also supported, which means you get hours of listening time from just a short charge. And you can easily connect it to any device with its Bluetooth 5.3, giving you fast and stable pairing. There's also a low latency mode, which is perfect for gaming or watching videos without the annoying audio lag. And the ergonomic design makes them easy to wear for long periods. And with the IPX8 water-resistant rating, they're safe to use during workouts, or in the rain, or even if they get splashed. So for the low price, you're getting features like adaptive noise cancellation, long battery life, and premium audio quality. So if you're looking for reliable wireless earbuds that don't break the bank, then definitely check out the Tozo NC3 earbuds today. And you can take a look in the link below. See you.